Assalamualaikum guys. Today I am going to talk about the thesis paper. Basically, I am going to share my knowledge with you. How can you format your thesis paper? So many friends of mine who are busy with writing this thesis paper. So I am here to discuss how can you format your thesis paper in easiest way. So as we know, our preliminary pages of our thesis paper is about the title page and approval of the department and supervisors, and author declaration and acknowledgement and dedication as well. Actually, this is optional. We can write it or we can ignore it, no problem. Then after that, we have to write the abstract, and definitely we need to give it a table of contents, and there are tables, figure, and acronyms and appendices. We need to give the list of those. So basically, today I'm going to just given an example of a thesis paper, and this is not the proper thesis paper. I'm just made it for this video purpose. So I have I have written already the approval of the supervisors, author declaration, acknowledgement, dedication, abstract, and list of the abbreviation as well. So this is the first preliminary pages. So I am going to share with you now how can you format all of this page. This is my title page, and this is actually the title of thesis. So just mark it and make it a font size 16 and mark it in the center, and also mark it and make it in the center. Then you need to select all of these and mark it center. Then mark the first and last one and make it italic. Okay, and the font size of it is 12 and Times New Roman, obviously. So let me click all of this so that all of these are make sure that now it is Times New Roman format. Okay, then mark your ID and partner ID. I just given an example of my name and ID. You have to give your name and your partner name and ID as well, and mark all of these and make it center. And to that, then now we need to give the logo of IUAT and Department of Tripoli. So I'm just clicking it. The two logo you need so download it from the Google, and what the text and make it tight. Then go to what text, then click right so that you can move it easily. Okay, now click the September 2021 and make it center and make it italic also. So I have done so this is my title page, and it's totally okay, I hope. So okay, now I'm moving on the second page. Before it, I need to add the page number. So I'm going to insert, and here is the page number. I'm going to the format of the page number. So make sure you select the lowercase of Roman number. You make sure that you select this one and starting with the number 1 and just click it OK. So I have done already the format. Now click this second one, just click it OK. So see, here is the page number. Here is all the page number, but in title page the page number is not going to show. So just I click the first one, and it is now you can see there is no page number in the first page. So I have done the first page. My first page is done. Now I'm going to the next page. For all of my thesis page, I'm going to define new multi-level level list. Just click it, and I have already designed one, but let me share with you how can I design this one. One is like right chapter, then click the font. This is the Times New Roman, and it is bold, and this page size is going to 16. Okay, then click the page number is 1 to 3. What is my color? Choose the color black, and no need the other things in here. Just click one, and let's give me one space here. Okay, and then the link label to the style, it should be in heading 1. I'm clicking this heading 1. So what is the chapter name? Already I have clicked 1, chapter 1 in black. So this is the first one. I have clicked the number 1, then I have given the chapter number 1, and I have clicked this number 1 here. Okay, and I am just setting click this one and set all the values 0. Then I click the space and move on the second number 2. Let's clear all the things from here and just click here, select label 1, then give 1 point from your keyboard, then select the 1 to 3 from here, then go to font size. And this font size, obviously you have to select the Times New Roman, then bold, then size 14, and the color is black, and then OK, and you have to select this number 1 to heading 2, and click the space 1 and move on the 3 and clear this one. Just click label 1, then give 1 point from your keyboard. Then click again label 2, give 1 point from your keyboard, and then click number 1 to 3 from here, and click the font size. It is Times New Roman, bold, and the page size of this one is 12, and make it black. Okay, and this is going to be heading 3. I'm just clicking heading 3 and move the number and click, obviously click space bar here, and I have already select for all of this is 0, and in click number 4, click this one. I have already set this value, that is why it is come in this style. So whatever, just click label 1, then give 1 point from your keyboard, then select number 2, then give 1 point from your keyboard, then click number again label 3, then give 1 point from your keyboard and click 1 to 3 again. Click font. It is Times New Roman. It must be italic, not bold one. And the size is 12, and color is obviously black here. And click OK, and mark it in heading 4. If you need more, then click again number 5. Then just cut it down from here. Then click label 1. Then give 1 point from your keyboard, then click label 2, then give 1 point from your keyboard, again give click number 3, then give 1 point from your keyboard, then label 4, then give 1 point from here, then again click number 1 to 3 from here, and click font, and it's Times New Roman, then click the italic and label is 12. And color is obviously black, and click it OK, and mark it in heading 5. Okay, so I'm just making it for my all thesis headers. Then click here space, make sure that all are space, and so as you can see that there is a chapter name in heading 1, 1.1 is heading 2, 1.1 heading 3. Make sure that chapter 1, that is actually heading 1 is you need to font size is 16, then 14, then 12, then 12, then 12, and so on. Then give it OK. Now click this one and modify. Then select check this, it is Times New Roman and the font size is 16, and it is blurred or not. Then click this click the automatic update one and give it OK. Now check heading 2 and modify it, and check it is 14, and click it this one, first one, and click these things, give it OK, check this one, modify one, and check this is the heading 3 and types in Roman and font size 12, and new automatic, click this one and click OK. Again check heading 4, it is types in Roman, this side not center one, this left side one, and click mark it, let's check it is 12 or not, and make sure it is italic in 1.1.1 point. This is obviously from in italic, then click it OK. And also you can check in number heading 5, let's make it types Roman, size is 12, and obviously it's italic, and this color is black, and click these two things also. Okay, all are ready now. Just click, this one is heading 1. Okay, and see here one is coming in the left side. Actually, if it is not showing in your computer, then go to view, and if you now it is not showing, if you click again the navigation plane, now it is coming. So make sure it is showing on your left side so that you can understand very well. What is it? Okay, whatever. Okay, so and this one is heading 1, Acknowledgement. So space, click chapter 3, it is showing chapter 3, no problem, and there is a lot of space. Let's cut it. Okay, now click it and make it chapter 4, this chapter abbreviation, and click it chapter 5. Okay, and now I'm going to cut this chapter name from here, because I don't need chapter name in after all the Supervisor or everything. So now before cutting the chapter number 1, I'm going to select all of this, and you can see there are, I have selected all of these things, because all my heading is I have to uppercase. So I have just right click here and just select all 5, and just then click in the uppercase. You can see now all are uppercase. Now I am just click chapter 1. You have to click must chapter 1, then just press the backspace. Now it is gone. Just click this one and gone. You can see here also it is gone. Chapter 1, chapter 3. We don't need it. So just click it and gone. Just click it and press the backspace, and it is gone. Just click it and it is gone. Okay, whatever, I have deleted all of these things, and as you can see here, it is not the proper justice. We have not. After abstract there is a table of content. Okay, after abstract there is a table of content. So I'm going to make that table of content now. And here is the important info for all of you, and all of this we have to justify. We need to justify all of this. We need to justify all of these and make sure it is it is 1.5 for all, but in abstract it is a line is spacing is 2.0. okay, and your abstract is not going to more than 500 word, and in your total thesis it is actually only 20,000 word can be allowed in your whole thesis. Okay, and okay, now it's okay. Now I'm going to make one table of content people of abbreviation. So now I'm going to use this page 1, and going to click here and going to insert and make a page layout, reference, and table of content. So this is the table of content. So I am going to click this one and make it set, and going to down. Okay, this is my table of content. Now